नमस्ते. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Welcome back to Teach to Learn Ramayanam session number 3. In the last session we started understanding about Valmiki Maharshi questioning to Narada Maharshi about a person who have all these 16 noble qualities, and we had seen about the 4 noble qualities also. And from this shloka, charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarvabhuteshu kohitaha, charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarvabhuteshu kohitaha, vidwan kah samarthascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha. In this shloka, charitrena cha ko yuktaha, charitrena cha ko yuktaha means if any person he knows about the Vedas, what it has told to the living beings that how they should live their life. Is there any person who is leading their life as per the Vedas that were mentioned? And if you see him, the nature of the person should reflect that he is leading his life as per the Vedas that was mentioned, how they should live. Charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarva bhuteshu kohitaha. And that person who lives his life as per the Vedas that was mentioned, and that person, he will always be looking for he love all the living beings in this entire world. Charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarva bhuteshu kohitaha vidwan kah samarthascha. Is there a person? Whatever that we need to know in this entire world, is there any person who knows that what we need to learn is known to him? That person should know whatever we need to learn in this world, that entire is known to that person. Vidwan kah samarthascha. Is there any person that samarthascha means nothing impossible to him? He is capable of doing anything, whatever it is there in this world. Is there such person who is having this sort of quality? Charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarva bhuteshu kohitaha vidwan kah samarthascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha. And priyadarshanaha, that quality is that if you look at that person, if you see that person, whatever he does will be the most loving thing to anybody in this entire universe. For example, if he sleeps, that will be the most beautiful thing. If he sings, that will be the most beautiful thing to any person in this entire world. If he fights, then also that will be the most beautiful thing. If he be angry, then also that will be the most beautiful thing. So a person who is having that sort of quality, that looking at him, everybody in this entire universe will get pleased and they will be so happy looking at him. That means beauty himself is personified as a human being. Is there such human being existing in this world? So these are the 4 qualities that were mentioned in this charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarva bhuteshu kohitaha vidwan kah samarthascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha atmavan ko jitak krodha द्युतिमान को नसूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयगे. Atmavan, if he committed to something, he will be the most dutiful person, that he will do whatever he had committed to, and he knows that he with a conscious effort that he will do what he has committed to. Atmavan ko chitakrodha, who defeated the anger. What is the meaning of defeating the anger? That means he will be not at all be angry. If at all he gets angry, that is for the benefit of this entire world. And looking at that anger, even 32 crore devatas will get scared of. Such a person who is having that sort of quality, does that human being exist in this world? If at all he exists, I would like to know about that person. Please tell me about that person. Like that, Narada Maharshi is questioning to Valmiki Maharshi is questioning to Narada Maharshi. Atmavan ko jitakrodha, Dyutiman ko asuyakaha. He will not have any sort of ego or jealous. Atmavan ko jitakrodha, Dyutiman ko nasuyakaha, kasya bibyati devascha. Even looking at him, if he is angry, 32 crore devatas will get scared. If at all, in the other word, when we say jitakrodaha, he will not get angry. And in this shloka, in this word, they are saying, if at all he gets angry, that is for the benefit of this entire world. And then his anger will make the people to do what they are supposed to do. To get them have this change in their lives, he will be showing his anger, but he is not angry on the living beings. So, Atmavan ko jitakrodaha, Dyutiman ko nasuyakaha, kasya bibyati devascha, jataroshasya sanyuge. In this world, any such person exists, any such human being is existing in this current time. I would like to, if at all he exists, having all these 16 qualities. Now we had seen about almost like 12 qualities, and there are further more qualities also. We will see in the next series. एतत् सर्वं फलं श्री सद्गुरु चरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु.